Welcome, you're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Notorious criminal arrested in West Garo Hills. New law enacted to protect environment in East and West Khasi Hills. MCCEU urges CM to release financial aid in 2 installments. And BSF organizes civic action program and football tournament in East Janvi Hills. And now the news in detail. A notorious criminal, Clanson Samla, wanted for multiple robberies and a suspected murder, was arrested by Tikrikhila police in West Garo Hills on Wednesday, February 6th. Samla, who had been evading arrest for nearly a year, was finally apprehended following an extensive manhunt. West Garo Hills SP Abraham T. Samla confirmed that the accused was involved in a series of robberies and had been linked to a murder case. Authorities seized a country-made single-barrel shotgun, a dummy rifle and military camouflage clothing from his possession. Further investigations are ongoing. Preserve wildlife, forests and aquatic life. The District Magistrate of East and West Khasi Hills, Anita Khubor, IAS, enacted the 201 BNSS on February 6th. The order mandates the burning of forests across the district using various chemicals, aiming to prevent environmental degradation. It also highlights that any incitement to commit such acts poses a serious threat to both the environment and human lives. Violators of this law will face strict punishment under Section 223 of the BNSS 2023. The new law aims to safeguard the rivers, forests and surrounding ecosystem immediately. The Mamlo Uchera Cements Employees Union, MCCEU, has appealed to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to release financial assistance for cement plant employees in 2 installments instead of 3. After a meeting with the CM, MCCEU President Prince Khemlingdo expressed concerns that the government's proposal to disburse the assistance in 3 installments over 3 years, amounting to around Rs 14 lakh per employee, would create financial hardships. Lingdo urged the government to release 40% in the first installment with the remaining 60% within the same year. The Chief Minister did not offer any assurances but said the request would be reviewed. Additionally, MCCEU Vice President S.K. Khar suggested repurposing the existing infrastructure at Mamlo Cements for an Industrial Training Institute (ITI) to provide training and create jobs for locals. The Khar also highlighted the growing isolation of Mamlo after the closure of MCCL.
Bersama yang kerja technical school, nanti technical institute ke, kapan longkum kerja politeknik ni, ki ITI ni, ki vocational training school, hangti lamar bangi iba, hangti ki machine sekolah lupa. Jika ban nasi bersama kelas ni lomba ketuka CCR ni kan, control room kerja, lalu ki computer room ki kerja lalu berkait tuan. Kata akan persuk sarkar ban hagalang ban invest mai kita ye. Idan ki kali ki bejot se, lalu ki balang ya. Kita ngila perlu kerja praktikal na pataki kena ala kita bersih kumkan ni ka automobile engineering ni automotive ni kata idan ka transmission lagi jom lagi lam electrical kibala aban le ikani tinggal ngoba ngisu ajmut bala ngila dan kum kita ki institute lesik ka politik ngidan ya NIT hajan kabelok tangkum ba 100 km jengai na ketika plan tikane kerukan dei koi na ka bakalong kala baniat kadi keju nak pergi kerja sekolah mo kapan ai pada kini kena ban besar pada ke NIT hari rabul tinggi semua bala dah kalong ke bala ngis misutho bar kot sifis taru nah ngis kan bini wa Khubor ba kalong
yo siam terse
kajingwan tentu jumi siam tasni kalau ban besok met biang tinggal berendam tiba nila ai penai adap sedap adap kalau kajing bukan mau ya government kaji pula kecuka ini menurut bah ini yang tugas skim kepada sokar terwah ini buat tu bah ini pen mau yang sokar bah idon ki point ki bah ini ai nak yang kejomi alor ketu kaji priang yang skim long alor pengilat priang skim nila ai ki point bah sokar kan pun dia dam ini kata kalau menikong ba jadi para menteri kita pun sedang menteri begitu kuat ba soka kat sinakam sinajam hak dia po FCL dia po jaga nomor ba isutu ba hoi katik projek MCCL plan kalakut ngin tharai ba kan sedang biang kamdon siu taka jik temu ban phai dia biang revisit biang ya kata ka jik pan ke jungi ba ngi tu pan kita ba kan peniat biang ya kaplan ho ni la bu ya kan kita jik kwa ke jungi ngadu senam arajar atau tujuan ki sini bandawan yang sokar ban peniat biang ya kaplan ngai pat ni susu ba government kamdon siu kaman ba bun ki daw jing.
On February 5th, 2025, the 172nd Battalion of BSF Meghalaya conducted a civic action program and a friendly football tournament at the Khuborjylla playground in East Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, to support the local population along the Indo-Bangladesh border. The program benefited over 300 villages from Kuliang, Borsara, Laijori, Baskona, Huroi and Hangaria. BSF distributed sports equipment including footballs, volleyballs, cricket kits, nets and sports shoes valued at more than 3.5 lakh. Solar street lights, inverters, batteries and syntax were also provided to local schools and needy villagers. During the event, Rajesh Kumar, 21C of 172nd Battalion, highlighted the importance of such programs, reaffirming BSF's commitment to adding the border population. On February 6, 2025, Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma launched the Health Shuttle Service of P.A. Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, PIMC, in the presence of Health Minister Amprin Lyngdoh and USTM Chancellor M. Hoke. The service aims to provide pre-hospital transportation for patients and their attendants, enhancing access to medical facilities in both rural and urban areas. During the launch, Chief Minister Sangma praised PIMC for the initiative, calling it a much-needed step to improve healthcare accessibility. Health Minister Lyngdoh emphasized the importance of addressing transportation challenges in accessing timely medical care. The service begins with 10 vehicles, 5 for rural areas and 5 for urban regions, including Shillong. Initially, 2 urban shuttles will operate with plans for expansion. PIMC also plans to introduce a mobile app for easier booking. This initiative strengthens PIMC's commitment to community-centered healthcare, ensuring broader accessibility.
One, two, and three. This is really something very, very unique, as well as something really amazing that PIMC is doing, especially keeping in mind that it has hardly been few months since the college has started, and especially keeping in mind the challenges that you have faced and we have faced in the many months before that to make PIMC active. And in spite of the challenges, you are still moving ahead at a very, very fast speed in all the work that you do. It just clearly reflects the commitment that you have towards the institute, towards the cause, towards the people, the students. And that is really what is the driving force behind how USTM is growing and PIMC is growing. So I really am very happy to see the kind of innovative work that's going on. And I would like to thank the Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor, Hock Saab and others for this great initiative. And I'm sure this will go a long way in not just building the brand of PIMC as truly a medical college with facilities to serve the people in the rural areas. But while you build your brand, you will also be serving the people in a very, very positive way in terms of the healthcare services that you'll be providing to them. So it's a great initiative. I congratulate you, and I wish you and this program and PIMC and USTM the very best. Thank you so much.
And this is just a beginning that we
I was just telling our Commissioner Secretary.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.